Hi, welcome to the Essential Guide to Photoshop Elements Layers. I'm Rick Peterson, and I want to show you how to use layers like a pro. I've been providing easy-to-understand techniques for using Photoshop Elements on my website and YouTube channel since 2009. In the Essential Guide to Photoshop Elements Layers, I'll explain to you what layers are and not only how to use them, but also why. We'll take it nice and slow, and I'll be sure that you can see exactly what I'm doing by zooming in on areas, using circles, lines, arrows, or whatever I need to do to make sure that what I'm showing you is crystal clear. I broke the course down into 5 sections. Section 1 answers the questions, what are layers and how do they work? We'll look at important basics like the background layer, layer visibility, stacking order, layer opacity, and blend modes. In this section, you'll also discover how to link layers, lock layers, and name layers. You'll also acquire lots of tips and tricks along the way. Section 2 is all about layer styles and how you can start using the dozens of layer styles that come bundled with Photoshop Elements, and how you can customize them to your own liking. Section 3 removes all of the mystery from layer masks. Imagine finally having a clear understanding of how and when to use layer masks on your photos. In Section 4, we dive into a special kind of layers, which are adjustment layers. Adjustment layers will give you the courage to experiment with your photos, knowing you always have the option of changing your mind about your alterations, even years later. And finally, in Section 5, we'll see how to end a layer session and how to save your layered files. This course is for Photoshop Elements users who want to take advantage of all of the possibilities that Layers offers. Maybe you've used layers when following a tutorial, but had no idea how they worked or why. Maybe you tried learning about layers, but it was so overwhelming that you didn't even know where to start. This course will gently guide you to an understanding of layers in a simple, straightforward way using plain English and clear examples. Thank you for your interest in my course. I hope I've convinced you that you can finally master layers. If you're anxious to get started, click the Take This Course button now, or check out the free preview for a sampling of the course. I'll see you on the inside.